Hi there, it's Mike. If you're watching this channel for tutorials, then I've got something interesting for you. I just need like 2 minutes of your attention, so please watch till the end. I will explain it briefly so you've got the idea. The other day when uploading the video that you probably already saw, I saw in the analytics that most of you are here, and by the comments, by your engagement as well, that you're here basically for those tutorials. And as I said before, like 2 or 3 episodes earlier, I didn't really want to make this channel to be about tutorials in the first place, because that's what I'm doing for a living. I'm an instructor since 2019, and I wanted to make it like action-packed channel. But first of all, I see that you prefer tutorials, you prefer to know, to get to know what I know, and that this is the main purpose of you coming to this channel. And so there's one more problem to that. It's February right now in Poland, so it's midwinter, and I've like run out of any kind of action content basically for this moment. I'm not able to write in the next month, so I basically have nothing to show you on this channel, and I don't want it to be stagnant, like, not upload anything for the next month, 2, or even more. Actually, I've got some idea for the March, very interesting idea. It will be like very, very cinematic content, but for the time being we've got, when I'm recording it, it's 2nd of February 2026, and I've just got an idea the last upload I did, that I would make a challenge for myself to be able to express myself more freely, to hone my English again, my spoken English, not to make those mistakes and those cuts that you hate. I saw some comments like, hey, stop making those cuts, and you prefer like, normal human experience, like I'm talking to you right now, trying to break in my speech. So the quick idea is, if you like it, then you will have to write it in the comments. But to put it briefly, I would make each day for 30 days from now, I would make a very, very short, like few minutes long, depending on the topic, tutorial based on either my ideas, or even better if you could write those ideas in the comments, like, Mike, do video tutorial about this or that, and I would make it like I'm talking right here, right now to you. So minimum cuts or even nothing, minimum edit, because the main problem is that those videos that you saw, they were like 7-10 minutes long, those videos from the last times. And the problem is 1 minute of making a video like that with all these, beautiful cinematics, different shots, angles, and so on. It's good for the entertainment content, but if you want the raw knowledge that I have in my mind, that I can pass to you, the problem is 1 minute of such nice video takes me about 2.5 to 5 hours. So to put it simple, in order to make a video like 10 minutes long and to be like so good that those before, it takes me basically 50 hours to make it. So it's impossible to keep it like that. They need to be short, and something needs to go, and that thing will be the editing. So if you don't mind me talking to the camera with some minimum editing or minimum different shots, I can probably explain everything by gestures and speaking, and I can do it like every day for the next month. If you like this idea, if you don't mind me speaking like boring, I know it won't be for everyone, and those that already left won't see it, because it's obvious that they don't like talking heads. But if you like this idea, I will try to get better at it, at speaking, at being more to the point, straight to the point. Go out sometimes with the camera as the time goes by. But the main idea is a challenge, 30 racing tips in 30 days. And that would start tomorrow. If you like this idea, if you don't mind me speaking like that with minimum editing effort, then please let me know, because I don't know if it's a good idea or bad, because it will still take me like 2 or 3 hours of every day. for the next month. But if you like this idea of me being, getting better at speaking and being more direct, and you like that kind of human interaction, then please let me know and start writing your ideas for the content in the comments. I've got like a few of them already in my mind, but it will be like mostly, to let you know the last thing, it would be a content about racing, because I haven't ridden on the road for quite a few years already, and I don't find myself like quite how to say it, quite good to explain things about road racing, or sorry, about normal casual riding on the street. But to put it simple, it would be anything about racing. So even some basic things, like tips and tricks, like how to prepare your. It was a video about that already, like how to prepare the bike. But you know what I mean. Anything about riding, so like riding tips, technique tips, bike preparation, track preparation, anything that comes to your mind that you would like to watch in that kind of way being shown to you, and you don't mind to see it in like boring video, then please let me know in the comments. I am really looking forward to it, because I know I will get more comfortable with speaking and with the camera and with my English each day. So it would be very good for me. I would be able to get better at filming and speaking. For you it would be good, because I have really a lot of knowledge to pass to you guys. So only if you want that, then I will do that, because if I will see zero engagement and that no one really cares, for now of course the channel got like 350 subscribers, so it's normal that you don't care. There's not too many people to watch it anyway. But still, if you like this idea, please let me know in the comments. If you don't have any ideas yet for the videos, at least tell me, Mike, it's a good idea, I will watch it, I want this knowledge of yours being passed to me, then I will do it. I hope you will like it, and that anyone will care actually, because I don't want to make movies and talking to camera when no one really cares. Please let me know. Thank you for watching till the end if you did, and see you in the next one. That's me without any editing. Cheers, Mike.